How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jennifer. If you're new, thank you guys for tuning in. Today, as you guys saw in the title, I don't recommend doing, but I just decided to show you guys just because as I got off work, sport mode, burn gas a little bit here and there, but so this is what guys. So pretty much after 1 mile, pretty much the refuel turns on, as you guys see. So far, I want to say that I've driven 8 to 9 miles, honestly, and the car's still going on. The car, I'm at the gas station right now. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I'm at the gas station right now. But I mean, a little myth, you know, because I see some comments. People have said that they've driven 5, maybe up to 10, 15 miles. I don't recommend that doing. Once again, I don't recommend this, you know, to you guys to do that. Just because the last of the fuel is always like the bad part, you know, and also you can actually run out of fuel, and then you know you have to either like just pull over, hopefully you're not on the freeway, and then try to get some gas and stuff. It's just a whole hustle, you know. Try to keep it more than at least 25%. It is hella cold here in Cali, and yes, once we're below 50 for us, it's hella cold. I think even below 60, honestly, it's hella cold for us. So I wasn't gonna stop nowhere. I mean, I'm just 2 blocks away from my house, so decided to give you guys a little background on. Yeah, so far, I mean, I want to say, because I've been doing this video right now for almost 2 minutes. I guess you could say 10 miles, at least 10 miles. You're good to go. Now this is driving on a freeway. Now I don't know if going up or down the hill changes, just because you know the gas moves and stuff. So, anywho's fam, thank you guys for watching. This is just a little something that, you know, stay safe out there. Check your tire pressure, because yes, as you guys see right here, my tire, I got a pump right now, just because the weather is cold, so we gotta at least keep it. I believe the stock tires are 35, at least 35. So anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys. Thank you guys so much, you know, for the love and all the support, guys. Stay tuned for next videos. This is pretty much how much it is on fully empty tank. And remember, guys, it's not just about the car. Stay sexy out there. Till next time.